Welcome to KPK Gemstones Club on YouTube.
Taaffeite is a rare and highly prized gemstone known for its exquisite beauty and exceptional rarity. It belongs to the beryl family of minerals and is often regarded as one of the most valuable gemstones in the world. Taaffeite is renowned for its captivating colors, remarkable brilliance, and its association with elegance and luxury. Historically, Taaffeite has an intriguing backstory. It was first discovered in 1945 by gemologist Richard Taaffeite in a jeweler's collection of Spinel gemstones. Initially, Taaffeite was mistaken for Spinel due to its similar appearance, but further analysis revealed its distinct composition and properties. One of the remarkable aspects of Taaffeite is its scarcity. Natural Taaffeite gemstones are exceptionally rare, making them highly sought after by collectors and gem enthusiasts. They are primarily found in a handful of localities, including Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon, Myanmar, Burma, and a few other regions in Southeast Asia. Taaffeite exhibits a wide range of colors, including various shades of pink, lavender, mauve, violet, and rarely, blue or colorless. Its coloration can be attributed to traces of manganese and other trace elements present during its formation. The intensity and saturation of color greatly influence the value and desirability of Taaffeite gemstones. Gemologically, Taaffeite possesses impressive characteristics. It has a high refractive index and excellent luster, which contribute to its brilliance and sparkle. Taaffeite is also known for its relatively high hardness, measuring 8 on the Mohs scale. This hardness makes it suitable for various jewelry applications, including rings, pendants, earrings, and bracelets. Due to its rarity and exceptional beauty, Taaffeite holds great significance in the gemstone market. It is highly coveted by collectors and gemstone connoisseurs who appreciate its uniqueness and scarcity. Taaffeite gemstones often command high prices and are considered valuable additions to any gem collection or jewelry piece. In terms of symbolism, Taaffeite is associated with elegance, grace, and sophistication. It is regarded as a gemstone that embodies femininity and is often associated with love, compassion, and intuition. Taaffeite is also believed to possess metaphysical properties, including promoting spiritual growth, enhancing intuition, and fostering emotional balance. In the next sections, we will delve deeper into the physical characteristics of Taaffeite, its occurrence in mining, gemological properties, market significance, and other fascinating aspects of this remarkable gemstone. The crystal structure and formation of Taaffeite play a significant role in its unique properties and characteristics. Taaffeite belongs to the beryl group of minerals and has a complex hexagonal crystal system. Let's explore its crystal structure and how it forms. Crystal structure. Taaffeite crystallizes in the hexagonal crystal system, which is characterized by a six-sided prism shape with a hexagonal cross-section. The crystals typically form as prismatic or tabular hexagonal columns. Each crystal is composed of tightly packed repeating units of atoms.